Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the GT20 Ultra Smartwatch, also known as the Y13 Smartwatch. One of the smart features included in this wearable is the music control function. So we have here the music control function, also known as the Bluetooth call function. So we are going to try this one. We are going to test it, and let's see if this feature works with the uh, application here, the music player, the YouTube, as well as Spotify and the YouTube music. Okay, we have here on our smartphone. So we are going to test this one and see whether it works without any issues at all. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, and of course, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so let's start. We already paired it with the support app, so it is using the Fit Pro application, as you can see here. Here on the app, we don't have any settings for the music control function, but we do have for the remote photo control function. Okay, here on the Bluetooth settings, okay, we already check it, and so far everything is okay. So we have here the Y13, and as you can see here, we are paired with the media audio. Okay, so let's start. Let's go first with the music player. Tap on the music player. Let's adjust the settings here for the smartwatch. Let's make it 30 seconds for the backlight time. It's already 30 seconds. Let's say make it 1 minute. Okay, so we have here the music player. So let's try to activate the music control function. Okay, can we play? So it's not automatically selected the music here, so let's pick it on our own. Okay, we have the Inspire, we have the Dreams. Okay, next, that's the music player. Stop. Okay, go back, go back. So it works, but the speaker here, okay, it uses the speaker of the smartwatch. Okay, as you can hear, it's very loud. Very good. Next, stop. Okay, no volume adjustment, but the forward and the backward works, the pause also works, and the play also works. Okay, so everything works for the music control function, okay, for the music player here on our smartphone. Okay, next, let's see. So we have here the Spotify. So let's try. The only disappointing thing about this is we don't have the title here of the song. Okay, so let's search about this one. Okay, it's still connected to the first one. Okay, we have it here now. Next, still got it. Next, okay, stop. Next, stop. Next. So it works so far. Stop. Okay, so it works for the Spotify music, although it's a bit slow, but it works. The next, the YouTube music. Let's see. Okay. Again, there's no title here on your smartwatch, but you can hear the music here. You can hear the music on the smartwatch. So it uses the speaker of the wearable instead of the smartphone. How about this one? Let's see. Lazy song. We have an ad. Next, skip. Okay. It is a bit slow also. Okay, we have here the poker face. Play. There's no need to compare. Okay, so there's an ad, that's why we can't hear the song. But if you pick this one, okay, let's check. How can we? No thanks. Wait. Okay, so it has now loaded. It is a bit slow, but we hope that this thing works. So let's see. Play. Okay, let's see. Okay, ads again. Let's wait. Skip ad. So it works. Next. Next. Go back. Go back. Go back. Stop. Okay, so as you can see here, the music player for the smartwatch, okay, works with the YouTube music. We just don't have the title here. That's the only issue. And we don't have the volume control. But so far, it works. Okay. Then next, let's try the YouTube application. Again, it works with Spotify and YouTube music. Hopefully, it also works with the YouTube player here. Okay. Let's see. Let's look. We have here the Black Eyed Peas. Okay. You heard it. It works. Stop. Next. Stop. Next. Okay. See, it works smoothly here, as you can see. Stop. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Stop. Okay, it works. So again, the remote music control function here on our GT20 Ultra Smartwatch works with Spotify, YouTube Music, Music Player, and of course YouTube. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we were able to play the music. Okay, and here the music play it on our smartwatch. Okay, it uses the speaker of the smartwatch. What if we want to use the speaker of the smartphone instead of our smartwatch? Can we do that? Yes, you can do that. All you have to do is just go to our Bluetooth section. Okay, tap on the Y13 here, then disable this one, media audio. Okay, so just tap on OK. We are still connected to the Bluetooth music, but instead of playing the music here on our smartwatch, instead of using the speaker of the smartwatch, it will use the speaker of our smartphone. So let's try. Yeah, where's our music control? Okay, so let's try this one. Next. Okay, as you can see, next song. Stop. Okay, can you hear it? It's much louder now. And of course, because it uses the speaker of our smartphone. Okay, but you can still control the music on your phone. Okay, next, YouTube music. Like that, baby. Okay, stop. Next, next, next. Okay, it is a bit slow for the YouTube music here, but it works. Okay, I guess if you have a much better phone, and better internet connectivity, it is much smoother. Okay, so let's check on the YouTube app. Okay, let's open the YouTube application here. We'll go forward. Okay, next. Okay, let's change the song. Next, as you can see here, so it changes. Okay, and we can hear the music here, and we can hear the music on our smartphone instead of the smartwatch. Okay, go back, go back, go back, go back, go back. Okay, so far it works with the music playing, okay, on the speaker of our smartwatch as well as on our smartphone. Okay, so if you want to know whether it works, yes, it works, and it is much better if you do have a good internet connection as well as a much better smartphone, not like ours here. Okay, again, if you have any questions regarding the music control function of the GT20 Ultra Smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time.